Morning everyone! Today we are going to talk about our laundry for our product of the day. So we actually are going to do two products because doTERRA just came out with a brand new laundry product. So we did talk a little bit about that product on the first of the month because it came out brand new. But we're going to go a little more in depth with this. So we're going to talk about two different laundry products because we all have to do our laundry, right? Right. So the product I have been using for months and I absolutely love, is the original laundry detergent that doTERRA had, which is our doTERRA On Guard laundry detergent. This is super concentrate. It is 6 times more powerful than your regular detergent. This bottle will do up to 64 loads. I've only had to buy these. I've been in doTERRA and using this soap now for 8 months, and this is only the second bottle I've ever had to buy. I sent my son to college with a bottle of this as well. So you don't need a whole lot. So this has the benefits and key ingredients: the sulfates, enzymes, stabilizers from naturally based sources, not anything to do with petroleum chemicals, no harsh chemicals at all. It is unique. It is naturally based bio enzyme blend. It is the formulation maximizes essential oil aroma and effectiveness. It is tough on stains and dirt, but low on the enzyme aroma. And it also has an entire 10 milliliter bottle of doTERRA On Guard inside. So this is absolutely amazing. This works in HE washers. For HE washers, you put in 1 tablespoon or 1/4 of a cap. For conventional washers, you put in 1/2 a cap or 2 tablespoons, whichever way is easier for you to measure. This is my favorite. We've been using this for months. I use it on everything, and it also helps fight away any germs and viruses because our On Guard is 99.9% effective against germs and viruses. So that is the On Guard. Okay, so this is a full 32 ounces. Like I said, it is 6 times more powerful. You only need 1/4 to 1/2 a cap depending on which kind of washing machine you have. So if you are a wholesale customer, if you have a discount membership, this is $27.50. In this bottle, I do at least 3 loads of laundry at least a week. And 1 bottle of this usually lasts me about 3 months. Because like I said, I've been in for 8 months. This is only my second bottle I've used. And this will still get me through quite a few more loads, okay? Because it's super concentrate. If you do not have a membership and you wanted to buy this at full price, it will be $36.67. And for members, this gives you 20 PV. So you get 20 PV on this. So if you do this on your loyalty rewards, you'll get either 10, 20, 30, or 10, 20, 10. You either get back 10, 15, 20, or 30 points out of the 20 points back. Percentage back in money. So that is the On Guard laundry detergent. So then our newest one. Now I only have the sample size. I haven't bought these yet. This one here is our brand new. Now this is the sample size. Remember, this is smaller than it would normally be. The regular size one is 20 ounces, so it is 40, looks like it says 45. So it's 45. So this one's 64 loads. The other one is the pods are 45 pods. So these are really cool because these are a lot like your Gain pods or your Tide pods. Like they're cute little pods just like that. You just drop this in your washer. If you're doing a small to medium load, you do 1. If you're doing large to extra large, you do 2. So that's really cool. These are tough on stains, leaving every load fresh, clean, and bright. They are formulated to provide a natural, fresh citrus aroma using the brand new doTERRA Abode refreshing blend. And the package itself is made with PCR, which means post-consumer recycled producting. So the packaging, this and this little bags are both pre-recycled. So This is easy to use, like I said. Now, I've heard, because I don't have, my washer is a top loading washer. It's not the front loaders. So what I always did, and even with my liquid detergent, what I do is I turn the water on, I put in my detergent, whether it's the liquid or it's 1 or 2 pods, depending on how many I need. And then I let the water fill for a bit, and then I put the laundry in. So that's how I do it. I have heard that some people have had issues with these going into their, if you put these in the soap dispenser part, they don't fully dissolve. So I would recommend, if you get these, to just throw these in the bottom of your washer. No matter what washer you have, just throw it in the bottom of your washing machine. That's what I do. So it says toss, and it says right here, directions for use. Toss pod in with your clothes. So not into your soap dispenser, in with the clothes. Add 1 pod for small to medium loads, 2 pods for large to extra large loads. So this here is considered 20 ounces. If you are a wholesale member and you order these, they are $19.50, and you get 14 PV for these. Again, the regular package is bigger. This is just a small little sample size that I got at convention. If you are not a member and you have to pay full price for this, you're going to be paying $26. So those are the 2 doTERRA products for doing your laundry. I've used them both. This is the one I've used for months. This one just came out, and I've been using this one. I like them both, to be honest. This one will probably be more what I'll use in the winter time because of virus and germs. This one I may use either keep on hand for my son, because it's easier for my 15-year-old to just throw a pot or 2 in than trying to measure this. So I may end up buying both, or I may just go to this in the summertime. I haven't totally decided because I really do love the On Guard liquid. So you guys, if you have any questions about any of these products, just put them in the comments. If you're watching this, please just put hi or hashtag replay, just so I know people are watching these. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.